This is Nothing Phone 3A, and today I'll show how you can enter the boot mode or the bootloader selection on this device. So at the start, you will need to simultaneously press volume up and power buttons to launch the power off menu. Now select power off and allow some time for your device to shut down entirely, which you can tell by the subtle vibration that the device is going to produce. Now, all that you need to do is to simultaneously press and hold both volume up and power buttons. And you can release the power key once you feel a subtle vibration produced by the device. And that said, here is the boot menu or boot mode selection. From here, use the volume up key to select or to move the selection around, and volume down to confirm. So among options that are presented here, I'll simply select the normal mode just for me to, return to the system, or to restart the device in its normal boot order. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that will be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.